Good morning, dear student. I hope you all are well. And now today we are going to read English 1 book, that is English Literature, Living English. So you all open your book and I will read the things. Meanwhile, we will discuss the story. Okay, so you all open your index page. Lesson 1, Simran's New School. Page number 7. Simran's New School. It was Simran's first day at her new school. Are you excited, Simran? You are going to your new school today. I am excited, but I don't know anyone in school. In this, from the topic only, if you will see that Simran's new school, it means we can understand few things that the story is related to a view when you all go to school first day. That feeling only we all can see over here. Okay, so when we all go to school first day, we don't have friends. The means the atmosphere, we don't know what type of atmosphere are there, what type of students are there. So these all the difficulty everyone is facing when they are going there in the first, when they all go the first day. Okay, Simran's mother hugged her. I am sure you will soon make new friends. Will they laugh at me because I wear glasses? I think you look smart in these glasses. Have a great day. Little bit doubt. Simran was little bit upset. She was little bit worried about that because she is wearing that glasses. So she was asking with her mother, that means what they will say something about my glasses. Okay, will they laugh at me? After that, what her mother has told, her mother has hugged and said, I think you look smart in these glasses and have a great day. Okay, when during arrival and departure time also you wish to your parents, your friends, your teacher, the same way the things, the manner you can see over here. Next paragraph. Simran enters the class and sat quietly. A girl came up to her. Hello, I am Richa. You must be new here. Hi, I am Simran. Yes, today is my first day in this school. Come along, let's meet the others. So, you all have seen now Simran is there in the school, and first of all, one girl has come whose name was Richa. She was she met with her and asked Simran's name. Okay, introduce herself first of all, and then after Simran introduced herself and said ki yes, I am Simran. Today is the first day in this school. Come along, let's meet the others. Who has told that? Richa has told ki okay, welcome here and let's meet the others. The next page, page number 8. A boy in a wheelchair enters the class. Hello, Richa. Hi, Robin. Meet Simran. She is our new friend. Hi, Simran. Welcome to our class. I am sure we will have a lot of fun. Hello, Robin. I am sure we will. Everyone is so friendly. So, Simran has seen that here the students are so friendly. So, first of all, in this scene, we can see the entry of a boy whose name is Robin. So when Robin entered in the class, Richa has said, "Ki she is the new friend. She is our new friend," and introduced about her. Okay, and meanwhile, we can see that Robin also introduced him. Just then, their teacher, Mrs. Sinha, entered the class. Good morning, children. I see we have a new student. I am. Yes, ma'am. We have already become friends. I am happy. No, I am happy. no one has said anything about my glasses. So you all can see the entry of the teacher, Mrs. Sinha. Okay, and when the teacher entered in the class, said, "Good morning, children." You all also wish to your teacher or not? Yes, I see we have new students. Means the same way as the things are happening in your class when the teacher see any new student, she used to ask about means them or not. Yes, the same thing here also we can see. Yes, ma'am, we have already become friends. The students are saying, I am happy no one has said anything about my glasses because he was worried that they will speak something and or they will laugh at me. During lunch, Simran saw Robin surrounded by many children. Robin has so friends. He is kind and friendly. He is also a great actor. Last year, he got the prize for the best actor on annual day. So here we can see during this now it's the scene of the races, that scene during lunch they that Robin is surrounded by many children. In your class also you can see those who are friendly, those who are kind, they have a lot of friends. So because Robin is very kind and friendly, so he has a lot of friends. He is a great actor also. And last year he got the prize for the best actor on annual day. As in our school also you can see those who are doing good, they are getting certificates, they are getting prize. The same way here also we can see the things. Letter. Simran saw two more. Now see page number 9. Letter. Simran saw two more students wearing glasses. I Bye, Richa. Bye, Simran. See you tomorrow. I think I am going to love my new school. I have already made some friends. Meanwhile, you can see now it's the time for the departure. The students are coming out from the school, and here we can see that meanwhile that Simran has seen that two more children are there, those who are wearing the glasses. And after that they are wishing to each other, bye Richa, bye Simran, see you tomorrow. And Simran, after wishing that, Simran was thinking that I am going to love my new school. Why? Because here in the first day only she has made so many friends, because here the students are so friendly and kind. Okay. Simran came back home. She was happy and excited. You all can see whenever you all enjoy your day at home, at school. So when you all come back to your home, you feel happy or excited or not, because you want to share your good means memories, your stories with your parents, with your sisters and brothers. So the same thing here also we can see. Hello Simran, how was your day? Who has asked? Simran's mother has asked. I love my new school, mummy. So you also love your school or not? Yes, I think because means here also you are getting friendly environment. So I think you all are also. Simran told her mother all about her first day at school. I made many friends. Richa and Robin are very nice. Robin is kind and friendly. Everyone likes him. And guess what, mummy? No one said anything about my classes. I am glad to hear that. So you can see the conversation is going between Simran and her mother. We can see the Simran was discussing how she enjoyed the whole day at school. She made many friends, Richa and Robin, and they are very nice. Robin is very kind and friendly also. Because of that, everyone likes him. And what that is very important thing you can see over here. What we can here, you can see that what means and Simran was worried about that because he is wearing the glasses, and because at the school no one has laughed at her and no one has spoken something, so she was very happy also. Now listening these all the things, after that her mother has said, I am glad to hear that, because in the morning when Simran was discussing these all the things, her mother has said ki okay, just you go, have a nice day, and these all the things she has encouraged her. At the last we can see how happily they all have, means spend is Simran has spent the first day of the school. So, dear student, what you all have to do, read the chapters thoroughly. Meanwhile, with pencil, just you underline the difficult word asked, and with the help of your parents, search the meaning from the dictionary and prepare the words properly, so that it will be easy for you all to understand the story. And I hope you all have understood the chapter. So related to that chapter, that book exercises, few exercise I will give for homework and few you can do by your own. I hope you all have enjoyed that story. Okay children, thank you.